In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Meet link on Google Calendar. Whether you're coordinating a meeting with colleagues or scheduling a virtual hangout with friends, this is a crucial skill that streamlines the process of setting up a video call. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so that you have access to all your personalized calendar information and can make changes or additions as needed. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll need to either create a new event or open an existing one. If you're creating a new event, click on the Create button, usually found on the top left corner of your calendar interface. Existing events can be accessed by simply clicking the event's time slot on your calendar to open the event details. Either way, you'll be taken to a screen where you can make changes to your event's information. When you're in the event editing screen, look for the option labeled Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. It's typically located near the middle of the event details page. Clicking this will automatically generate a Google Meet link for your event. This link is what you and your attendees will use to join the video call. After you've added the Google Meet link, it's important to complete the rest of the event's invitation information. Make sure you've filled in all the necessary details like the event title, time, and any other specifics that will help make your event successful. Don't forget to add your guests as well. You can do this by entering their email addresses in the guests section. This ensures that they receive an invitation and have access to the Google Meet link. Next, once everything looks good and you've double checked all your details, click on Save. This saves all the changes you've made to the event, including adding the Meet link and guests. Finally, you'll be prompted with the option to send out email notifications to your guests. Click Send to email everyone on your guest list so they can be prepared for the meeting. They will receive an email with the event's details and the Google Meet link, making it easy for them to join the call at the scheduled time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add a Google Meet link to a Google Calendar event, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your guests. With everyone connected online efficiently, you can focus on what's important, having a productive meeting. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.